Dusk falls. Arjun sets chai cups under glowing diyas. Diwali begins to sparkle. Arjun pours steaming chai. The brass kettle gleams. Warmth fills the festive air. Arjun smiles, handing her a crispy samosa. Her eyes light up with joy. The orange tabby struts in, ribbon swaying. He eyes the stall with calm pride. Chai, samosas, and smiles. Arjun, the girl, and the cat share a happy moment. A sudden gust tears the canopy. Arjun's eyes widen. Diwali light flickers nervously. Worried, Arjun kneels. The girl gently comforts him as diyas softly glow nearby. The cat arrives, inspecting the tear. Hope returns in their expectant eyes. The girl points excitedly. A plan forms. Arjun nods, and the cat twitches his tail. They gather close, planning repairs. Ideas fly, lit by glowing lanterns and hope. The cat pulls a wooden frame. Arjun and the girl watch, amazed and inspired. Arjun collects vibrant fabrics. His eyes shine with new determination and purpose. The girl lights tiny diyas on the frame. Her joy glows like fireworks. Villagers arrive with garlands and cloth. Smiles bloom. The spirit of Diwali grows. The cat climbs and fixes the new canopy. Below, cheers rise from his friends. The new canopy rises high. Arjun, the cat, and the girl beam with pride. Chai pours again. The stall glows, reborn in color, light, and festive cheer. The girl shares samosas. Her pride shines as fireworks burst behind the stall. The cat sits tall on the counter. His ribbon glows as villagers applaud. Villagers enjoy chai and snacks. The trio works happily under glowing lanterns. They sip chai beneath the new canopy. Peaceful smiles close a joyful day. The girl speaks with excitement, her eyes gleaming. Their story ends in joy. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to our Kids Stories channel.